Welcome to the AccuArm user guide video. This video will focus on the equipment calibration process, the use of the intelligent user interface, and basic measurement steps. AccuArm features a guided operation design, allowing even beginners to easily complete calibration to ensure accurate measurements. After opening the software, a zeroing interface will automatically pop up. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the zeroing process. Next, we will perform calibration, which is a key step to ensure 3D measurement accuracy. In the calibration module, you can select sphere calibration or point calibration. Hold the AccuArm and operate according to the intelligent guidance. Here, we'll use adjustment as an example to briefly demonstrate the basic operation process. First, import the CAD data. Select the target features in the CAD model. Probe the corresponding target features on the workpiece, and then establish the coordinate system using best fit alignment or other alignment methods. After alignment, mark feature points at key locations on the fixtures and compare the measurement results with the digital model to quickly determine the actual deviation. Based on the comparison results, the fixtures can be adjusted accordingly. Additionally, the GD and T of features can be measured according to technical requirements. The following are measurements of parallelism and roundness. That's all for the user guide of AccuArm. If you got any questions or want to learn more, feel free to drop us an email. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.